Hey everyone, have you been working so hard to lower your cholesterol but just can't seem to move the needle? You're eating right, exercising, doing all the things, but those numbers just won't budge. Today, we're diving deep into the sneaky culprit that could be sabotaging your cholesterol goals. We're talking about the food category that often hides in plain sight. So, if you're ready to take control of your cholesterol and protect your heart, stick around. We're about to break down everything you need to know. Alright, let's cut to the chase. You want to know what's silently wreaking havoc on your cholesterol levels? The answer is simple. Unhealthy fats, specifically trans fats and saturated fats. These unhealthy fats are sneaky. They lurk in places you might not expect. Think seemingly innocent baked goods, that buttery croissant you love, margarine, yes, even margarine, and a whole slew of processed snacks. These foods are often loaded with trans fats, which not only raise your bad cholesterol, LDL, but also lower your good cholesterol, HDL. And don't even get me started on saturated fats. They're often found in abundance in fatty cuts of meat, full-fat dairy products, and processed foods. For now, just remember, trans fats and excessive saturated fats are the enemies of good cholesterol. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so these fats mess with my cholesterol, but why is that such a big deal? Imagine this. Your arteries are like highways, and cholesterol is like traffic. When there's too much bad cholesterol in your bloodstream, it's like a traffic jam in your arteries. Trans fats create inflammation in your body, which leads to plaque buildup in your arteries. Think of plaque as sticky gunk that clings to the walls of your arteries, narrowing them and making it harder for blood to flow through. Over time, this plaque buildup can lead to a condition called atherosclerosis, or hardening of the arteries. This restricted blood flow forces your heart to work harder, putting you at a higher risk for heart attacks, strokes, and other serious cardiovascular problems. Let's get down to business. I know you're ready to ditch these unhealthy fats, but they can be sneaky, so you need to know where they're hiding. First up, let's talk about the usual suspects, the foods that are practically waving a red flag when it comes to trans fats and saturated fats. At the top of the list, we have processed snacks, those tempting bags of chips, cookies, and crackers. They're often loaded with trans fats and saturated fats, making them a major culprit in raising your cholesterol. Next, we have the fast food favorites, burgers, fries, and fried chicken. And don't forget about processed meats like bacon, sausage, and salami. Now for the hidden offenders. Be on the lookout for baked goods like pastries, donuts, and even some types of bread. Many creamy sauces and dressings are loaded with saturated fats from heavy cream, butter, or cheese. Alright, I know what you're thinking. Doc, you're making me scared to eat anything. What am I supposed to eat? Don't worry, I'm not leaving you hanging. Swapping out those cholesterol-raising culprits for heart-healthy alternatives is easier than you think. First up, let's talk about fiber. Specifically soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive system, soaking up cholesterol and helping your body get rid of it. Oats are a fantastic source of soluble fiber. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or add some oats to your smoothies for a cholesterol-lowering boost. Next, let's dive into the world of healthy fats. Remember those omega-3 fatty acids I mentioned earlier? They're like superheroes for your heart, reducing inflammation and lowering triglycerides, another type of fat found in your blood. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3s. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap their heart-healthy benefits. Now let's talk about nuts and seeds. They're not only delicious and convenient snacks, but also a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all excellent choices. And don't forget about the power of plants. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall heart health. Alright everyone, now it's time to take action. I want to hear from you. What's one food you're committed to replacing this week to start lowering your cholesterol? Drop it in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to better heart health. And if you're hungry for more tips on how to transform your health and live your best life, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.